Hi all,
Welcome back to Open Terrace Kitchen.
aka OTK.
Thanks for all the love and support you guys have showed us for the previous videos. So today's recipe is little different and very unique. So before I tell you about the recipe, please like, subscribe, share and click on the bell button below.
Today's dish is about vegetable kurma with jeera rice. Let's look at the ingredients required for this dish. For kurma, we require coriander leaves, ginger garlic, green chilies, coconut, onions, chopped, potato, cinnamon, clove, salt, turmeric powder. This is beans, cooking beans. And for jeera rice, Jeevan will explain.
Green chilies, then chopped onions, then jeera, then ghee. Then this is 3 glass of washed rice.
So today we are cooking two vegetable dishes for you guys. So I would be cooking vegetable kurma and
I
Jeevan will
would be
be
doing jeera rice.
Yeah. So let's grind this all ingredients for kurma. We need this as a paste. So I am grinding here coconut, chilies, coriander leaves. There is ginger and garlic. One small cinnamon stick and 5 to 6 cloves.
So meanwhile, let's cook jeera rice. So I'll show you the procedure how to cook jeera rice. Okay guys, let's start. So I've kept the cooker here on the gas stove. So I'm pouring some oil. Then I'll be adding ghee. Two spoon of ghee, 2.5. So let's wait till this gets heated up. Then we'll add some onion and chilies. So I am adding some clove and cinnamon. Then I'm adding jeera, 2.5 spoon jeera. We'll stir this. And later I'll add some chilies, green chilies. So fry this properly. Add some chopped onions. It's close to 3 to 4 onions. So let's fry this till it turns golden brown.
So guys, I'm back with the paste. Now let's start the procedure for kurma, vegetable kurma. I have heated the pan little bit round. Let's put some oil. This oil is to fry all the paste, whatever we have grinded, onions. So according to the onions, we'll put some oil, that's it. So now the oil is heated up. Let's add some chopped onions. Let's fry it till it becomes golden brown, or let's fry it till it becomes brown, okay, golden brown.
So for jeera rice, you guys can see it is turned golden brown. So I'll add 2 spoons of salt, which includes with the rice also. For the rice also I'm adding. Let's fry this. And later we'll add that washed 3 glass of rice. Yeah. So we'll be adding that, all the rice. So I've added the rice. Okay, just stir it. Then it's 3 glasses of rice, so I'll be adding 6 glasses of water. So I've just measured it and I've taken in a bottle. So the water is added and we'll just cook this now for like 3 whistles.
So the onions have been fried. Now we'll add the paste which we have grinded. As there is no salt in the paste as well as the onions, we'll add some salt. Here I am adding 2 2 spoons of salt. We'll add little turmeric as well. We'll give it a stir. We'll fry this for a while. Till the paste get fried nicely, we'll fry this. The paste is nicely heated up. Now let's add the vegetables. This potatoes, chopped potatoes, cooking beans, and we'll fry this with the paste such that the flavor gets in the beans as well as the potatoes. Now the potatoes are also nicely heated. It's little bit fried also. You can see the bubbles coming out. It's nicely getting fried. Let's add some water in it. Nice, give a nice mix. And close this up. Now it's been 2 whistles for kurma. I'll marking the gas.
And here it's been 3 whistles, so even the ghee rice is ready to be served.
So let's stir it up. Now the kurma is ready to serve.
So the jeera rice is ready. Let's see. Whoa. You can see all the jeeras. When the kurma is ready, I think we can serve this both and it's time to eat.
Yes. Guys, this looks delicious.
Yeah.
Let's taste it out. Taste it out. Kurma as well as jeera rice.
Yeah.
Let's try it out individually initially. So I'm lucky. I just got a coconut piece inside a kurma.
Yeah. The jeera rice is very nice. All the flavors, even a little ghee I've added. Even that flavor I can get. It's really good.
Right.
Yeah.
Even the kurma has been cooked well.
So I've mixed both together.
Yeah, we'll add it together. Jeera rice as well as kurma.
Yeah. Oh, both goes
Very
really
well.
good. Yeah.
Yeah, both really compromises themselves. They compromise themselves. It's really good food. At home, it's the best food to eat.
Yeah.
It's really nice taste, nice flavor.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our video, and this is a request from so many people that we had to do veg.
Yes.
So we tried veg today.
Correct.
So thanks a lot for the support, and please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends, and
As well
click
as
on
click
the
on the bell button
below.
Yes, please hope that you like this recipe. Thank you all. Thank you.